Welcome! In today's video, we're going to transform the front porch into an outdoor oasis. I've been waiting patiently on a package to arrive from Ollny Lights. They reached out to do a collaboration, and the lights have finally arrived, just in time for my birthday weekend. Thank you for joining me today and celebrating my birthday weekend. I'm so happy you're here. So excited to install them on the front porch to create a comfy and relaxing space for Lola and me to enjoy some nighttime porch living. I can't wait to show you what comes with the kit, and to get the lights up, I want to try out the remote. Why is it you can never get into the box when you're excited to see the contents? They packed it very well. I'm hoping these lights brighten up the porch at night and bring many evenings of joy with Lola and Tom this summer. This is the porch at night, and Lola's scared of the dark. Let's see if these string lights can really bring some sparkle to our lives. It's nice to see that they sent everything, including an extra bulb. Here's the remote, and it has a dimmer and different settings for the hours. I want to transform my outside spring porch into a nighttime outside oasis. To accomplish this, Ollny has generously provided me with these ST38 solar string lights, because Lola and I love porch living even when it's dark. They're solar powered and energy efficient, and you can charge them with the solar panel or the USB port. It's also automatic on and off, or you can use the remote control, and it has 3 different light settings. The lights are waterproof and durable, and I got the 100-foot strand to go around the perimeter of the porch. You have unlimited use of the space. You don't have to worry about location or locating power sources. So let's get decorating. Tom made the installation even easier. He pre-drilled holes every few feet, so all I have to do is screw in the eye hooks and simply slip on the bulb. I'm sure you can find other methods to hang the lights, but we wanted ours permanently affixed to the house. The lights were super simple to install and hang. They had to be for me to do it. I'm so glad Ollny had the string lights in 100 feet to go around the entire perimeter of the porch. We've looked before for longer strands, however we were unable to find any that were affordable. Our robins have returned again this spring and chose our front porch to start their family. I hope they'll enjoy the free lighting. Thanks, Ollny. And here are the lights finally hung up and getting excited about tonight. We had a little left over, so we wrapped it around the porch. Connecting the solar panel is very easy. You just plug it in the back, pull up the screw, tighten it, and you're ready to go. You can mount it to the wall, but we're going to lay it on the rail because we get the best sunlight here. However, on cloudy days, we'll just unscrew it and use the USB port to charge it. While we were waiting for it to get dark, Tom made my favorite for my birthday, olive oil. It was scrumptious. Thank you, Tom. I love you. It's starting to get dark and the lights came on automatically. The porch has dramatically transformed to a beautiful, calm, and relaxing space, just a little longer. And it's so easy to use the remote. You simply press off and on. I love it. You can also use the remote to turn the lights on and off, but you can also use them to dim and brighten the lights. How nice. Finally, it's totally dark. Isn't this just beautiful? Thanks, Ollny. We love it. Tom catches Lola and me enjoying some snacks. What a great birthday gift. Shop now to decorate your spring porch and other outdoor spaces. The links are provided in the description for the UK and the United States. I hope you enjoyed today's video and spending time with Lola and me. Until then, live life and find what makes you happy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.